All right, good afternoon, folks. It is May 26th, 2023, and it's been a long time since I've posted any box breaks or card rips or reveals of any sort. So let's not waste any time here. And today, we don't have one, not two, but three blaster boxes of 21-22 Topps UEFA Champions League soccer. Hopefully, I pull a couple of good Ronaldos and some Messis and Mbappe's, even Holland, of course, but hopefully in parallels, not just base cards, of course. Pretty tough stuff to find. 29 bucks for a blaster. It's not too bad considering you get how many? I think it's 6 cards per pack and 7 packs per box, 42 cards a box. So it's not too bad for 29 bucks. So let's not waste any time here. Let's get this party started. Let's go. Best of luck to me. I'm not too sure what you get in this box. Let's do a quick rundown. Okay, approximate odds, subscription cards. Sparkle 4, 1, and 2, not too bad. So you get Sparkle cards in 1 and 2 packs, which is pretty good. Alright. 4 Sparkle foils parallel per box. Look for exclusive pink Future Star parallels. Let's see if I got that. Oh, let's see what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, just as the box says. I got empty box here. Put all my cards in, and I'll sort through afterwards. So let's see. Box 1, packs 1. Look at that. Oh, there's a Sparkle card in there. Save that for last. Oh, here we go. Special insert of some sort. Flags of Foundations, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, AC Milan. Still playing, can't believe it. I can't pronounce these names, so I apologize in advance. There's some rookie for FC Salzburg in the Bundesliga. Rookie of Emeritus Kajagard. I don't know how to say it. Rookie of Hannibal Mejbri for Manchester United. Rookie, of course. Sergino Dest for FC Barcelona. And a rookie of Brian Braubery of Leipzig. And Sparkle of Lautaro Martinez. These are not numbered, but they are one of the Sparkle cards you get in the box. So not a bad first pick, or first grip, sorry. Alright, second one. Nothing in here. Pepe from Porto. Manuel Ugarte, rookie from Sporting. Chelsea FC. A title winner's card. I've never seen that before. Tio Martinez, AC Milan. Bright Array MBI. I don't know. I can't spell his name. Rookie for Bayern Munich. And a Future Stars of Pedri. Some inserts. Yeah, not too bad. So inserts and sparkles, parallels, whatever, I'll keep on one side. And I also have, which I'm not going to open today, box of FIFA World Cup 2022 stickers. These are extremely hard to find. It was by luck I found them. I was lucky to find one because I was like, oh, I'm getting another sparkle and something else in here. Sparkle for last. Giorgio Cellini from Juventus. Alisson Becker, Liverpool. Eric Garcia of Barcelona. Luis Muriel of Atlanta, BC. And row to St. Petersburg, Anthony Alanga, whatever, from Man U. He's a rookie too, by the way. And here's a sparkle of Rodrigo of Real Madrid. Not too bad. Ooh, that's just a different card. Yeah, I'll get to that afterwards. Portugal for United with Bruno Fernandes and our good Cristiano Ronaldo in there. Pretty nice. That's a base card. It's not an insert or anything. Chiellini again. Becker again. Ben Chilwell FC of Chelsea. And Thorgan Hazard from Borussia Dortmund. And a rookie of Hannibal Midgebury. I think it's some sort of like retro parallel or something. Kind of cool. These empty packs. What's oh, for one blaster box, you get quite a bit. Now, I don't know how much the video is going to last on this. There's another insert. Ederson. Oh, what's that? Is that a kaboom? No. Ederson. Tokahiro Nakai, rookie. Lukaku, Chelsea. Manuel Akanji, Dortmund. And I pulled this guy before, but a rookie though. Miritz, Kedjigard, whatever. It's a Sparkle rookie of him actually. And Real de St. Petersburg, Yusafa Mokoku, I think how you say it, I don't know. And 6 pack. Oh, there's another one of those retro-like cards again. It's a possibility they may get an autograph in here, but they're not that simple apparently. But we'll see. Lucas Sucic, I think, I don't know, rookie. Marcus Rashford, good player. Ivan Rakitic. Doyot Apancano, I can't say his name. Dustin Tadic. And a Wolfsburg Lucas Emiche, I think. Emiche. Oh, insert. Alright, last pack. I'm gonna get to box number 2. Gotta say, it's been a long time since I treated myself to some cards. Times are pretty tough these days. Inflation and all. There's another Portugal card again with yours truly. Marquinhos, I think, say his name. Alessandro Bastoni. Gavi, rookie. Tyler Adams. Ooh, and a Pedri Sparkle. That's a good one. That'll probably fetch me a good coin. He's looking in pretty good shape too. Nice. Yeah, that's the kind of sparkle you want. Him or Ronaldo or Messi. Mbappe, of course. So anyhow, that was box number 1. Not too bad. That Pedri was a good way to finish it off. So here's box number 2. And that didn't open. It's pretty good. And they really package these things well. The only way you can tell if it's not tampered is if you see this plastic wrap that's either Topps or Panini or Product. If it doesn't have that, don't buy it. I know from experience because I got ripped off. Someone bought it, brought it back, repackaged it. They took all the good cards out and they replaced a bunch of crappy cards that no one wants, that would never sell. It wasn't even the same sport, by the way. So never, ever, ever again will I ever do that. Unless I buy the local hobby shop and open it right in front of them, and then if I get duped, get my money back right there instead of complaining later. All right, box number 2, pack 1. Gotta say, he's been pretty good so far. Something in here. Yeah, that's sparkling in. Shola Shori Tire or whatever, rookie, Man U. Fabio Vieira, Daniel Maldini, Leroy Sané, and a Sparkle rookie of Moriba. Elax, I don't know. Moriba. Sparkle. And insert of Nuno Mendes, Portugal. All right, pack number 2. And there's an insert at the end, so Diego Carlos. Juan Cotadro, I think that's how you say his name. Virgil van Dijk, one of the best players right now. Jurian Timber. Mario Hermoso. And the future stars of Ryan Gravenberg. Back out of those names. I don't know how to say his name. You're more than welcome to correct me in the chat. Or comments at the end if you feel like. I don't care. And there is another sparkle here. And some really bad cutted card over here. Ugh. Maximilian Arnold. Angel Di Maria, another great player. Underrated, but a good player. Thibaut Persian, rookie. Lautaro Martinez again. Ooh, a Harry Maguire, Man U, sparkle. Not bad. And Mauro Icardi from Paris Saint-Germain. Insert. That would be nice if I get... I doubt we get a 1 of 1, but you never know. That would just hit the jackpot. Especially for someone good. Oof. Make some good money. Alright, kind of expose that guy. Ruben Diaz. Marvin Park. Brendan Orenson, I think his name. And there's a Dortmund's duo. It's Haaland, I don't know who that is in front of him. I think that's Bellingham, I think. Jude Bellingham. Pedri, but not a sparkle this time. And a rookie of Pierre Kalulu. Oh, I see a numbered card in here. Ahmad from Man U. Evanilson. That Moriba guy again, but not a sparkle. And Chelsea, 2021 title winners. And the same one, but in sparkle. That's kind of cool. And then I got a parallel here of Nicolo Barella from FC Internazionale Milano. And he is numbered at a 199. 92 out of 199. So that's my first serial numbered card I got. In the second box, that is. Not too bad. I don't know how good he is and how much he's worth, but I guess you consider that a hit. My stomach's going nuts. So if you hear any growling in the background, that's my tummy, so I apologize in advance. Thiago Tomás, rookie. He might be Portuguese. It sounds like he is. Yeah, Portuguese. Manuel Locatelli. Rafael Leão. Great player from Portugal. Played amazing in the World Cup. I don't know how much he has off season though, but Christopher Scott, rookie. A sparkle of Suso of Seville FC. Don't know who he is. And a Benjamin Sesko of Salzburg, Royal Petersburg. And one more pack, and then we got one more box to go. I think it's more harder to get good hits and inserts and stuff, but whatever. Jordan Henderson. Lucas Miche. Gianluigi Donnarumma. Anthony. Renan Lodi. And Eduardo Camavinga. Retro or whatever that is. It's pretty cool. Alright, that was the second box. This is the third and final box. I can sort and put the stuff away for another time. Let's put these inserts over here for now. Realistically, I shouldn't be buying this stuff, but you know what? It's been a while since I bought some stuff, so I just treat myself. Because you know what? When you die, your money doesn't go to heaven with you. Just remember that. The final box. third and final box. First pack. Hopefully get something good here, but we'll see. Yeah, there's an insert at the end. Cellini. This guy's haunting me, man. It's the third one. Becker again. I got him. Another Ronaldo. And whatever. Tyler Adams I have already. Lukaku I already have. Him I do not have. Jules Kunde, whatever. Then again, there's only 200 cards in this set, so there's a very good possibility you'll get duplicates. This is not a very big set, and there's a... Ooh, I don't know who that is, but it's a sparkle of some sort. Pepe again. Manuel Ugarte again. Sandro Bastoni again. Gavi again. And a David Nares Sparkle. And the Serge Gnabry Flags the Foundation. This is a pretty cool subset. I like it. I guess Flags the Foundations you can tell in here. Marquise. Ederson again. Kanji again. I have him again. And I don't have him. And who is this? This is Curtis Jones of Liverpool FC. And Lukaku Road to St. Petersburg. Not too bad. Ooh, I like this last card here. Part of Canada. Takaro Nakai. Oh, there's a... Ooh. Whoa. Oh. I don't know how rare that card is, but whatever. If that's autographed, I'd be like, holy shit. Takahiro Nakai. Lucas Sucic. Dusan Tadic. Capital Gains. Back together in Madrid with Griezmann and Suarez. Best of the best. Dribbles completed. Alphonso Davies. I do not know how rare this card is. It is an insert after all, but I'll find out what the odds are of getting him. And a Lucas Miche. Wolfsburg. I think I pulled him before. This box starting to sound a little bit like deja vu to me. There's a sparkle at the end. Rashford. Ivan Rakitic. Hans Vanaken. Finally some cards I need. Stefan Tigges. Jamal Musiala. And the Sydney Ray Brigger rookie. Sparkle. Alright, 2 more packs to go. Gonzalo Inicio, rookie. Dejan Kulikalevsky. Gerald Piqué. John Oblak. And a sparkle rookie of Felix Miche. Pulling him a lot of inserts. And Lewandowski. Another good player people don't talk about. Very underrated player, but a very amazing player at the same time. I don't know if it's because he's Polish. But say what you want about him, but he's an amazing player. People don't talk about him often, unfortunately. Yeah, so wrote to St. Petersburg, Robert Lewandowski. Possibly the best player Poland will ever have. For me, he's like Ronaldo for Poland. You can say whatever you want about him. Like, I'm not Polish myself, I'm Portuguese, but he's an amazing player. Here's the last pack, and no sparkles, just base. James McAtee, Walt Weghorst, Sergio Ramos, 2021 title winners, Chelsea FC. I don't know who that is exactly, but Piero Kalulu and Gianluigi Donnarumma, retro, whatever that is. That's it. So tell me what you think. I think it was a pretty good rip. I think it did decently. Like, I wasn't expecting anything huge. It would be nice to pull. Well, I did see a Ronaldo in there, but it was like him and some other player with him. But other than that, yeah, I pulled some pretty good stuff, I believe. I don't know how much that stuff goes for. But however, I am going to try to find out what the odds are of getting this best of the best. So let's take a look at the box here. Yeah, I scratched that up, but whatever. Printing plate, oh god. That'll be nice if I pull the printing plate. Base or base, pink stars, gold, orange, foil refractor, printing plate, footballers 1-4, blue, gold, foil refractor. Oh my god. So much stuff in here. Yeah, road to St. Petersburg is pretty common, 1-4. Flags Foundation 1-12, actually. Gold, orange, foil refractor, printing plate, best of the best. 1-40. So that's a semi-hard pull for a blaster box. Is pretty tough. So that's not bad. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Let me know what you think. Click the like button, and of course, you'll be notified next time I post another video. The next video may be this, but there's 50 stickers, and it's going to take way too much time to post this. I gotta need like at least an hour of footage because a lot of stickers to go through. But I gotta do that when I have time, which could be any time, obviously. So yeah, that's it, folks. That's it for now, and yeah, I'll let you know I'll be back, which may be a long time. So ciao for now.